Tired of scrolling through a messy deal pipeline in Pipedrive, trying to figure out which deal needs your attention right now? I've been there. It's overwhelming, and honestly, it leads to missed follow-ups. So here's the fix. You can add color-coded labels to your deals in under 5 minutes, turning that cluttered list into a clean, visual system where you can instantly spot your priorities. All right, so here's the plan. First, we'll open a deal, then we'll add and customize a label. Let's dive in. You've probably already got it in your browser, so just go ahead and log in if you're not already there. Now, from the left-hand sidebar, click on the section that says Deals. This is where all your opportunities live, and this is exactly where we need to be to start cleaning things up. Take a moment to scan through your list and locate the deal you want to label. It doesn't matter which one, but pick one that you think could use a little color-coded love. Go ahead and click on that deal to open its details page. This opens up the full view, showing you all the information about that specific opportunity. Now, give the page a second to fully load. Sometimes Pipedrive takes a moment to pull everything together, especially if you have a lot of custom fields. Once the page is loaded, look over to the left-hand side panel. There, you'll find a section that says Add Labels. It might already say something simple like No Labels, but the important thing is that little clickable area. Click on Add Labels. This will open up a small pop-up window where all the label magic happens. Again, just wait for that label window to appear. It's usually pretty quick, but just be patient for a moment. Inside that window, look for a button that says +Add Label. Click that to start creating a brand new label for your deals. A text box will appear. Go ahead and type in the name for your label. For example, let's say you want something like Hot Lead. Type that in exactly as you want it to appear. Now, here's the fun part. You'll see a spot to select a color. Pick something that pops. For a hot lead, maybe a bright red or orange. Just click on your color choice. This is what's going to make that label instantly recognizable in your pipeline. Once you've got the name and color set, click the Save button. That label is now created and ready to use. Now, look back at your deal details. You should see that new label appear right there in the left panel. Nice, right? That color is going to catch your eye every time. Let me show you a few more examples to get you inspired. If you have a deal that needs a follow-up, create a label called Follow-up and give it a yellow or blue color. That way, you know exactly which deals need your next call. For deals that are time-sensitive, create a high-priority label. I usually go with a vibrant red. It screams, "Look at me now." If you work with key clients, set up a VIP client label. Something like purple or gold gives it that special feel. And for deals that are stuck waiting on someone else, a pending approval label in a neutral gray or light blue works wonders. So let's quickly recap what we did. We opened a deal, clicked Add Labels, created a new label with a name and color, and saved it. That's it. The real benefit here is that you can now glance at your pipeline and instantly know which deals need immediate action, which ones are just waiting, and which ones are your absolute top priority. No more squinting at text. The colors do the work for you. And here's a final tip. Create a consistent color system across your entire team. Decide together that red means urgent, green means good to go, and yellow means waiting. That way, everyone in your organization speaks the same visual language. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. Your pipeline is about to look a whole lot cleaner, and you're going to feel way more in control. Happy labeling!